Namaste, good morning everyone. Now I am in Chapakot. This is down Chapakot, is primary school here. If some volunteer wants to help his school here, they can come to help this primary school for his government school to help local children, community children here. And this is quite peaceful village down to the eco village. From here you start to get eco village around 5 minutes after you will get eco village. Now you will see from here mountain everything nicely like Fistel, Annapurna, all Himalayan range. I will show you more from also up. So you see whatever it looks like from here. So this place is like this. Chapakot village. Before Eco village come, you cross this village, and this is called Chapakot village here. So we are going top the Unity Eco village, and up in the Eco village you will get like a homestay room, accommodation, hiking, whatever. So this is also typical village from here. Yeah, so I will show you. People can come by like this jeep as well, and bike, scooter, motorcycles, like this, like little bit off-road driving experience. It's nice. And you see all the mountains from here, Pokhara Lake. Yeah, several times I make different videos from here as well. So these all the places to get people know about nature, everything. Yeah, so beautiful places around here. From the here you see all the Annapurna range down. Just I stop and I try to show you guys from here some views around this natural Himalaya. Nepal is famous for this Annapurna. This Annapurna is the goddess of food and crops. So this is hills, is very good for growing things. Resource of the water, the mountains. So our place, see everything from around here. So now I'm gonna see you more up. So when you come from Pokhara with a bike, scooter, whatever, a cycle, whatever, hiking, you will see all these views what I'm showing you guys. And this is the off-road driving experience. So this is not a big city, so a small town. You see all the things from here. So I will show you some more view from up. Yeah, there is also one more school for this kindergarten children for them. Also people can come and do volunteers here. It's good volunteer opportunity for people to explore Nepal, understand culture, understand typical Nepali people culture, traditions, everything. From you see another village from here. So from here you can go Panchase, this very famous also. Famous trekking place, Panchase, that's like also in Chapakot. From here you can see Harpan, you can see the like all the Annapurna range mountains. So I stop all the place some and I try to show everywhere for you guys. So this is like how you see the mountains view, the all Annapurna mountain range from here. Now this is like this. So now you see more up we go. Now like this, you see. People can come here, do things whatever they want to do, farming, agriculture, buy land, rent land, everything possible. To get lease in the land, make their holiday home, house, anything here. It's soon going to be developed this place very fast through the economical way, eco village. Now Unity Eco Village project starts from here. So when you come this village, you will get first homestay here. So this is like Chapakot Devrali community homestay. So this first homestay here, when you on the Eco Village, you will find this. You can stay here as well, and there is some more homestays in village as well. So some accommodation you can get here as well, this one as well. So you see from here. So now you see Pokhara from here. So everything, whatever the view from here, that's the down village what I come from Chapakot now. So now like this. So now until up I gonna show you guys to until our how to get our Unity Eco Village information center. So off-road driving experience. How to come to get eco village. Good experience for people who want to explore Nepal in the remote areas. Oh, the army cut boker aunbo. Okay, now I'm here in eco village. So our information center coming here now.